The hustle is real. Welcome to the NSE, Nigeria, my people. The energy, the vibrancy, the sheer determination, it's all here. Land of jollof rice, Afrobeats, and the stock exchange. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just about the food and music. It's also about financial growth and opportunities. We're diving deep into the world of the Nigerian stock exchange, where dreams are made and money talks. Mostly Naira, but you get the point. It's a place where fortunes can be built and futures can be secured. Think of it like this. Remember that auntie at the market who can stretch a Naira further than you thought possible? She's a master of her trade, just like the traders at the NSE. That's the NSE, but instead of tomatoes and peppers, we're talking about owning pieces of big-time Nigerian companies. Imagine having a stake in the businesses that drive our economy. Now I know what you're thinking. Stock exchange sounds like something only people in fancy suits understand. But that's a myth we need to bust right now. Trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. It's about making informed decisions and understanding the market trends. Think of it as a giant marketplace where you can buy and sell parts of Nigerian companies. It's like shopping, but for shares and stocks. So buckle up, grab a plate of suya, and get ready to learn how to boss up your finances Nigerian style. We're here to make the world of stocks accessible and exciting for everyone. Demystifying the giants. What is the NSE anyway? The Nigerian Stock Exchange, or NSE, is a cornerstone of the Nigerian economy. But what does that really mean for you and me? All right, let's break this down. Imagine the NSE as a bustling marketplace, but instead of fruits and vegetables, it's filled with stocks and shares. The NSE is like a giant matchmaking service, but instead of love, it's all about connecting businesses that need money. Think of them as the eager singles, with everyday people like you and me who want to invest, the potential suitors. It's a place where dreams of expansion meet the aspirations of investors. Companies go public on the NSE to raise capital, which is a fancy word for money to grow their business. This process is called an initial public offering, or IPO. They sell shares, which are like tiny slices of ownership in the company. When you buy a share, you own a piece of that company. And guess what? You can buy them. Yes, you can be a part owner of some of the biggest companies in Nigeria. Now imagine owning a piece of that popular buka down the street that everyone loves. Every time someone buys a meal there, your investment grows. As their business booms, so does your investment. It's a win-win situation where both the company and the investor benefit. That's the magic of the NSE. It's a dynamic environment where fortunes can be made, but also where careful planning is essential. Market analyst. But hold on, it's not all about throwing money around and hoping for the best. The stock market can be unpredictable, and it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Just like you wouldn't marry someone you just met at the market. At least I hope not. You gotta do your research before investing. Look into the company's performance, its future plans, and the overall market conditions. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Wahala for who know they trade. In the bustling heart of Lagos, the trading floor is where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Scenes from the trading floor. It's a whirlwind of activity, with traders shouting orders and making rapid gestures, each one trying to outmaneuver the other. Picture this. You walk into the Nigerian Stock Exchange building in Lagos. The air is thick with anticipation and the promise of opportunity. The energy is electric. Screens flashing numbers, brokers shouting into phones, and the constant hum of financial activity. It's a symphony of chaos and order, where every second counts. It's like stepping into a fast-paced movie, except this time, it's real life, and your money is on the line. The stakes are high, and the pressure is palpable. Brokers, looking sharp in their suits, hustle across the floor, representing both buyers and sellers. They are the lifeblood of the market, ensuring that trades are executed smoothly and efficiently. They're like the middlemen, connecting the dots between investors and companies. Their role is crucial, as they bridge the gap between those who have capital and those who need it. It's a high-stakes game of strategy and timing, where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. Every decision is a calculated risk, and the tension is always high. Local trader. But don't let the intensity scare you. There's a sense of camaraderie and mutual respect among traders, each one understanding the challenges the others face. There's a certain thrill that comes with knowing you're participating in something that impacts the Nigerian economy. Successful transactions are celebrated with handshakes and high fives, a testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved. It's like a giant game of chess, and everyone is trying to make the right moves to come out on top. Each trader is a player, each decision a move, and the ultimate goal is to achieve financial success. Investing with a side of pepper soup, real-life tales from the exchange. Now let's bring this home with some real-life examples. Remember that time when everyone was going crazy for that new tech company in Yaba? People were buying their shares like puff puff at a party. Some made a killing, while others, well, let's just say they learned a valuable lesson about investing. Financial advisor. Then there's the story of Mama Ada, who used to sell akara by the roadside. She started small, investing just a little bit every month in some solid Nigerian companies. Fast forward a few years and guess what? She expanded her akara business into a full-blown restaurant, all thanks to the power of compound interest. Young enthusiast. These stories show that the NSE is not just for the wealthy elite. It's a platform for everyday Nigerians to grow their wealth and achieve their financial goals.